In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. Getting your accountant up and running with your financial data is crucial for streamlined bookkeeping and financial advisory services. Let's dive into the process to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, open up your Chrome browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. As the first step, you'll need to log in using your username and password. If you don't have these handy, make sure to retrieve them or reset your password as necessary. Once you've successfully logged in, we can move on to the next step. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice a gear icon that gives you access to various settings. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Under the Your Company section, you'll find the Manage Users option. Select this to proceed to the User Management area. Once you're in the Manage Users section, look towards the top right corner and you'll see an Add User button. Go ahead and click on that to start the process of adding a new user to your QuickBooks Online account. Next up, you'll be presented with a few options for the type of user you want to add. Since we're focusing on adding an accountant to help with your financials, make sure to select the accounting firm option. This ensures that the user is granted the appropriate permissions tailored for accountants. Once you've made your selection, click on Next to move forward. Now it's time to enter your accountant's details. Here, you'll need to type in the accountant's full name and the email address you'll be using to communicate with them. This step is critical, as entering the correct email will ensure that the invitation reaches your accountant without any hitches. With the details entered correctly, you're ready to send the invitation. You'll see an option to save or send invitation. Click on this to send an email invitation directly to your accountant's inbox. The email will contain everything they need to access your QuickBooks Online account. And there you have it. Your accountant will receive the invitation to join your QuickBooks, enabling them to help you manage your financial tasks efficiently. If they have any issues receiving the invitation or accessing the account, double check the email address you've entered and resend the invitation if necessary. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless collaboration with your accountant, allowing them to access critical financial information and provide you with the support you need. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.